Welcome to our channel, where we empower you to take control of your finances and build a solid foundation for a secure financial future. In today's video, we'll dive into the world of saving for beginners. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to improve your savings habits, this video is for you. Let's get started. Segment 1: The importance of saving. Saving money is a crucial habit that sets the stage for financial success. It provides a safety net during emergencies, helps achieve financial goals, and paves the way for long-term financial security. By making saving a priority, you gain control over your finances and open doors to future opportunities. 2. Start small. If you're new to saving, it's important to start small and build momentum. Begin by setting achievable savings goals. For example, aim to save a certain percentage of your income each month, such as 10%. This allows you to adjust your spending habits gradually while developing a consistent saving routine. Segment 3: Track your expenses. To effectively save, it's crucial to track your expenses. Start by creating a budget that outlines your income and categorizes your expenses. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to track your spending habits. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and allocate more funds towards your savings. Segment 4: Automate your savings. One of the easiest and most effective ways to save is by automating your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a separate savings account on a regular basis, such as every payday. This ensures that a portion of your income goes directly into savings without you having to think about it. 5. Cut back on non-essentials. To accelerate your savings, examine your expenses and identify non-essential items or services that you can cut back on. It could be reducing dining out, entertainment subscriptions, or impulse purchases. Redirecting these funds towards your savings can make a significant difference over time. 6. Stay motivated. Saving money requires discipline and perseverance. Stay motivated by regularly reviewing your progress and celebrating milestones along the way. Set short-term and long-term goals to keep your saving journey exciting and rewarding. Surround yourself with a supportive community or accountability partner to stay motivated and on track. Congratulations on taking the first steps towards saving for beginners. By prioritizing saving, tracking your expenses, and adopting smart strategies, you're well on your way to building a strong financial foundation. Remember, saving is a journey, and it's never too late to start. Stay tuned for more valuable tips and insights on our channel as we continue to empower you on your path to financial success. Until next time, happy saving!